All right, let me get right into this. So I've been a long time Klim gear user. Klim comes with D3O. D3O has always been great over the years and lots of gear. The only issue I had with the D3O is wintertime. I ride throughout the year. Back protector elbows. I leave this in the garage. Gets cold, gets hard. It's not comfortable until it warms up. So supposedly Rogue Armor is going to solve that. I'm going to unbox it, take a look, see what it looks like, maybe do some measurements. Let's see what we got going on here. All right, let's start off with the back protector, back pad. There it is. Let's see what we got. So these I bought level 2 gear. It is light. It's light. Has a feel, it's kind of like a hard plastic, honeycomb shape, Klim logo. I'm interested in seeing the difference in, I mean I can already tell right away that's going to be lighter than D3O. I'm just going to, let me take off my jacket, see what we can do here. We're going to use the bike. Here we go. This is D3O Viper level 2 Klim. Yeah, just by feel, Klim is a little lighter, supposedly airier, as you can see. I'm just going to do, let me take a quick measurement, see what we got here. So we have on the Klim, we have on the D3O, we have, it is, let's see, 17.91 millimeters. The Rogue Armor at its thickest is 15.05. That's just, yeah, a little thinner, I'm hoping it'll solve the problem wintertime. If it stays flexible, it'll be great. I'm assuming it goes in this way, but I'm sure I'll get it wrong. It's supposed to be able to retrofit. This is an old Klim Apex jacket. It's old, but it's great. So let me see how it feels. First thought, I can feel it more. Maybe I put it in the wrong way. I'm not sure. I've never looked at it before. Let me take a quick look here. It seems a little, maybe it goes this way. I'm sure I'll figure it out once I go online. I felt an edge in the back. Let's see what we got going here. Oh yeah, that's better. You know, gear weighs a lot, so is it going to make it much lighter? It'll make it a little lighter. It feels a little lighter. If it flows a little more air, it could be good as well. I bought elbow pads. I bought knee pads. Let me take a look at the knee pads. I'm not going to replace the knee pads. Actually, these are external. These are, what are these? These are Bullet Guardian AAA. jeans. I think they're external. Let me take a quick look here. I think it is. I do not have D3O in here. I have SAS-TEC triple flex, just because for the knees. I think this is also a level 2. How does it compare? These are pre-curved. This is not. This has always been super comfortable. This rating is supposed to be a little higher. Let's take a quick look at this from a meter standpoint. So we have, this is at 9.36 millimeters. This gear, let me just take a, it's not scientific. Not scientific at all. Let's see what we got here. I'm not going to see where you get a good, maybe here. 10, so it's maybe a little thicker than the SAS-TEC. Let me see how this works out. First impression, I'm always concerned, even though the SAS-TEC, it's supposedly good stuff, that it would slide out of the way. This is pre-curved. Does it look different? SAS-TEC is definitely more comfortable, the triple flex. But if this is more protective, I'm happy to, let me put them both in. I don't think I'm going to put the elbow armor in because, as everyone knows, getting that elbow armor in is usually a royal pain for jackets. Okay, what's going on here? The other one slipped in very nicely. Let's try this again. There we go. It's in. It's zipped. Yeah, it's more noticeable than the SAS-TEC. But from what I've read about Klim, it's rated level 2 plus. Don't know what that is. One day, maybe Motocap or one of those other companies will do a review and tell us exactly how many. I don't even know what they use to rate it, but tell how protective it is, how low it goes. I'll do one more. I'll do the shoulder, because the shoulder is pretty easy to replace. How many unboxing videos have I done in my life? Yeah, this will be number 1. Never was interested, but I went online, I didn't see any, and I thought, oh, I'd like to see one. Okay, so this is hip armor. We're not going to do that now, and this is elbow knee armor. I guess I can show you this is elbow knee armor. So that's exactly what I have in here. That'll go in elbow as well. This is Rogue Level 2 shoulder armor. If I'm botching this up, I apologize to all the people who know how to do this. I'm just doing this as a public service because I would want to see this myself. All right, got some shoulder armor. Will it balance? Yeah. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, see the shoulder armor. So let's see what I have in here. This is Klim's. Actually, it's this is Klim T5 Evo Pro S. It's actually rated as level 1, T plus, T minus. This is pretty chunky. I've always wondered why this was level 1. But I mean, this is super chunky. Let me just zero this out. This is on the really chunky side. Let's see what we got here. I'm going to take this measurement here. It's about 13. I think it's chunkier than that. It says about 13 millimeters. Let's see what we got going on this. So this is rated level 2, which is kind of amazing. This is at about 10 and a half millimeters. That's a huge difference. Let's see what we got here. And I've always was a fan of the D3O. Stays soft, except for wintertime. And I mean, the body heat with the D3O, it'll warm up and then you're fine. But first thing in the morning, riding at like in 30s, 20s, it is hard as a rock. Let me take out this one. I will say, as I'm standing here, that the knee armor is definitely more noticeable, probably because of the curve at the top of the knee. It's curved up, and if it doesn't, the SAS-TEC sits nice and flat. This is up a little higher, but it's noticeable. Oh, good. Okay, so I got the shoulder arm in. Let's see what I do here. Can I tell a difference? Really, the big difference is level 2 in a thinner. I can't tell you, I ride, I don't really notice it too much, but it is, yeah, I can see it's thinner, it's not noticeable, more protection. It's got T+, T-, all the gear, all the Klim Rogue armor is T+, T-, so that means it will stay soft and work in the winter, and heat will not affect it either. I don't know how that works. Again, the elbows, I'm not going to take it out because then I have to turn this inside out, and it's never fun and never pretty. So guys, that's Klim Level 2 Rogue armor. There you go. Thanks so much.